Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths and GK Gyan. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon because we upload the videos that will help to update your knowledge, and we believe that the knowledge is a power. So let's start the video. Our first question is, Kiran Bedi receives Magsaysay Award for government service in which year? And the options are, and here the correct answer is 1994. Kiran Bedi is related to which option? So here the correct answer is she is the first woman IPS officer. So Kiran Bedi is the first woman IPS officer. Logarithm table were invented by. So the logarithm table is invented by John Napier. With which sport is Jules Rimet Trophy associated? So the Jules Rimet Trophy is associated with football. Joule is a unit of. So the joule is a unit of energy. The correct answer is energy. Kemal Ataturk was, and these are the some option, and the correct answer here is the Kemal Ataturk was related to the founder of modern Turkey. The Kemal Ataturk is the founder of modern Turkey. Milkha Singh stood in 1960 Olympics in athletics. So the Milkha Singh stood the fourth in 400-meter final in 1960 Olympics in athletics. So he stood fourth in a 400-meter final. Mrs. Medha Patkar is associated with. So these are some options. So you have to find out Mrs. Medha Patkar is associated with which fate. So here the correct answer is Sardar Sarovar project. So Mrs. Medha Patkar is associated with the Sardar Sarovar project. Kathakali, Mohiniyattam and Otham Dhulal are famous dance of. So these are the dance, and these are famous in the Kerala. Jaspal Rana is associated with which of the following game? So the Jaspal Rana is associated with the shooting, and the correct answer here is the shooting. Lala Lajpat Rai is also known as, and here you can see the option, and the correct answer is Lala Lajpat Rai is associated with Sher Punjab and Punjab Kesari. So the correct answer here is both A and B. The Lala Lajpat Rai is associated with, or is unassociated with, or is also known for his Sher Punjab and Punjab Kesari. Modern football is said to have evolved from. So the modern football is said to have evolved from England. So here the correct answer is England. Modern Indo-Aryan language are based on ancient language called as. So these are some language, and the modern Aryan language is based on ancient language is just Sanskrit. So the correct answer here is the Sanskrit. Lakshmibai National College of Physical Education is located at. So the correct answer is Gwalior. So Lakshmibai National College of Physical Education is located at Gwalior. Manufacturing of which of the following organs causes jaundice? So the manufacturing of liver. So the malfunctioning of liver causes the jaundice. Olympic Creed and Oath was composed by the founder of modern Olympics, and here the correct answer is Baron per de Coubertin. So this one is the correct answer. Kathak, Nautanki, Jhora and Kajri are important dance of. So this dance is important for Uttar Pradesh. Ludhiana is situated on the river. So the Ludhiana is situated on Satluj river. K.S. Ranjit Singh Ji. K.S. Ranjit Singh Ji was the first Indian Test cricketer. So the correct answer is the first Indian Test cricketer. National Defence Academy is situated at. So the National Defence Academy is situated at Khadakwasla. Number of command of Air Force are. So the number of commands of Air Force are, and here the correct answer is 7. Following food, which one is the best source of protein? And the best source of protein is the fish. MESA stand for, and the MESA stand for the Maintenance of Internal Security Act. MESA means Maintenance of Internal Security Act. The Mount Everest was captured by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in the year. So the Mount Everest was captured by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in the year of 1953. Caroline Michelsen was the first woman to, and here these are some options, and here the correct answer is reach the South Pole. So Caroline Michelsen was the first woman to reach the South Pole. Liquid transmit pressure equally in all directions. This is known as, so liquid transmit the pressure equally in all directions, and this is known as the Pascal's law. Lal Bahadur Shastri, and these are the some options. The Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded Pandit Nehru as the second Prime Minister of India, signed the Tashkent Agreement with the Ayub Khan for ceasefire between India and Pakistan. Is also known as the Man of the Peace. And here the correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri is associated with all of these three options, and here the correct answer is all of above. Normally the Commonwealth Games are held at interval of. So the Commonwealth Games are held in the interval of 4 years. So here the correct answer is 4 years. Mahakavi Kalidas was the one of the greatest Sanskrit poet and dramatist. Lived during the region of Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Famous work include Shakuntala, Raghuvamsha, Meghdut, Kumara Shambhava, and here the correct answer is all of above. Name the instrument used to measure the relative humidity. So the relative humidity we measure with help of hygrometer. National Remote Sensing Agency NRSA was set up in. So the National Remote Sensing Agency is set up in the year of 1980. Meena is the tribe of. So Meena is the tribe of Rajasthan. Here, so the correct answer is C, Rajasthan. National Institute of Occupation Health is located at. So the National Institute of Occupation Health is located at Ahmedabad. So friend, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the latest video whenever we upload. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting and keep learning. See you in the next video.